This is the Ultimea Nova C40 projector. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll be notified of future uploads. Let's start off by unboxing it. There's a user manual, warranty card, an HDMI cable, a power cable, and a remote. Here's the projector itself. The Nova C40 is a native 1080p Full HD projector with 600 ANSI lumens and brightness uniformity. It's also 4K ready with Dolby Audio. For setup, it has TOF autofocus and 60 keystone, so the image will automatically focus and adjust. If needed, you can manually adjust the image with the 60 keystone settings in the settings menu. The focus can also be adjusted with the remote. Even when you put the projector at an angle, it will align and adjust to display the image flat and perfect. You can project a video or image between 80 and 120 inches, as recommended for best quality. It has Android TV 11.0, which will allow you to stream apps like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, HBO Max, and more. There's 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of ROM, or onboard storage, so you have enough room to store your favorite apps. The Nova C40 has a fully sealed optical engine, providing clear images and accurate color. There are 2 5-watt speakers, which provide high quality sound. For connectivity, it has a USB 2.0 port, an HDMI 2.0, AV port, a 3.5mm auxiliary port, and an AC or power jack. As for Bluetooth, it has Bluetooth 5.3, so you can connect your external speakers as well. With the 90-degree gimbal stand, you can project a video or image in front of you on the wall or screen, or above you on the ceiling. Just tilt the gimbal up toward the ceiling and you're set. Also with Google TV, you can browse through free channels. The Nova C40 is an overall great projector with good image quality and low operating noise. With support for HDR10, wireless mirroring, and more, this is a versatile all-in-one projector. I've reviewed other projectors from Ultimea and have been pretty happy with them. I'll place links in the description for anyone who's interested, and I'll see you in the next one.